Hey, what's up, everybody? Ever have that awesome clip on Twitch that you just would really like to share on TikTok, but when you share it, it looks like crap because it's so small you can't see it? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now in this video. Stay tuned. Hey, guys, I know it's been a while. I'm sorry that it's been so long, but I'm back on the grind now. We've been working on some short form content via TikTok. A lot of people like the short form content. Honestly, TikTok is a great place to grow. And if you want to grow as a streamer, it's probably the most easily discoverable platform. The algorithm is still great currently. When you're watching this, probably it might not be. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to show you how to edit your TikTok videos to make it portrait instead of landscape, because landscape, it's so small you can't see anything. Portrait mode is the way to go, but you're like, well, my webcam's over here and my gameplay's right here. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Let's move over to the video editing software we'll be using. Follow me. So here we are. We're going to start fresh, right? I'm in Premiere Pro. You can use really any kind of editing software you can, as long as you can stack the videos. By the way, this is called stacking. We're going to start off with adding a video. I have one right here under downloads that I've downloaded from my Twitch, and this is it right here. Okay. So this is me playing Fall Guys and a little bit of a rage compilation here. So check it out. What we're going to do is we're going to move this over to our, drag it over. Boom. We have it dragged over, right? I'm going to click on this one. The thing that we want to do is we want to duplicate the video layer. So if you click on the layer, you hold Alt, and then you drag it up. Boom. The layer's duplicated now, right? So what you'll want to do after that, you'll want to go to sequences, sequence settings. So I have 1280 by 720 here. It's usually 1920 by 1080, but for whatever reason, these clips were recorded before I was recording it or posting in a higher quality. So what I am going to do is I'm still going to use it as 1920 by 1080, but what you do is you flip it. So instead of a 1920 by 1080, I'm going to go 1080 by 1920 right here. And you guys will see why. Hit OK. It's going to give you a warning there. Boom. Accept it. There it is right there. So that looks a little jumbled, right? What you want to do is you want to click on this. Click on your, make sure you're on your top layer here. Go to effects. So if you're on learning, you click over here to effects. Effects will show you, it'll probably look like this. It'll show you motion, do the drop down for motion. Then you have positioning, right? So what you want to do is you want to grab hold of this and you want to just pull it down. You can click on the number and drag it down with your mouse or over, up or down. That'll move it. And then you're positioning there. Boom. And then you can blow it up as much as you want. I'm going to blow it up a pretty good bit. Even though my camera quality at this point in time was not the best because my lighting was not great, right? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it about like that right there. And this looks kind of weird still, I know. But just check me out. Watch. What we'll do after that, the opacity, right? Drop down in opacity. You can do the square or the circle. I'll show you what it looks like with both. The square, here it is. Boom. That's the square. Right? But since I have all this extra stuff that I used to have on my webcam, because I thought it made my scene look cool, I'm going to take that off. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use my face, okay? Because this is what's really going to change it. Change it up here is my face. So instead of that, I'm going to actually use this. A circle. And I'm going to take this, make it real small here, right? Make it real small, all right? I know what you're thinking. This guy's extremely slow. Has he ever done this before? Yes, I have. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Boom. There's my face. So my face is now above it, but you still see my webcam down here. So how do we fix that, right? So now I'm going to select this layer. Go select the layer below it, okay? And you will want to do the same thing. Position it correctly. Blow it up. I'm going to blow it up real quick. Boom. There it is. You can see in this video right here that my face is now a circle. So if we can move it around wherever we want it to. I'm going to keep it right smack dab in the middle, but I'm going to check it. I'm going to play it right now and see what that looks like. Somebody was holding me there. How do you know, right? How do you know, Ryan? How do you know somebody was holding you, Ryan? If I could get up, I would tell you. Oh my God. It will not let me get up. Get up, idiot. I like the way that looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. This is the easiest part, but it's also the most confusing part. So pay attention here. What you want to do is after you completed your clip in Premiere or whatever, you know, you want to go to File. Number 1, Save. I'm going to save it as Fall Guys TikTok. Okay, I saved it as Fall Guys TikTok. Now I'm gonna File, Export, and we'll export media. Now you want your format at H.264, match source high bit rate. So yeah, you want to match source high bit rate. If you see here, it's there. Boom. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now export it. It is now exported. So mine automatically saves my desktop. I'll click here. Here it is. Somebody was holding me there. Perfect. Right? How do you know, right? How do you know, Ryan? All right. So there's a couple ways you could do it. You could either pull TikTok up from a desktop and upload it that way, which is a way you can do it. Or you can Dropbox it, save it to your phone, and upload it from your phone. I personally like the phone way because there's a little bit more customization that you can do off of your phone. So guys, if that helped you, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more. I'm going to be putting out a lot more content that's kind of more tutorial based as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. And by the way, all my TikToks and stuff are linked down below. My social media, Discord, everything. Make sure you check me out there. I'll follow you back. Hey, appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good day.